There are three numbers whose sum is 54. One number is double and triple times greater than the other numbers. What are those numbers? So kung mukhang mahirap ang problem pero madali lang ito dahil sa elimination of choices lang, matatanggal na agad dito yung mga ibang choices. Kasi ang sabi, there are three numbers whose sum is 54. One number is double and triple times greater than the other numbers. So tingnan natin yung mga choices. Dapat yung number tapos times 2 lang yan tapos times 3. So letter A, 10, 20, and 34, mali na ito. Dapat itong 34 kasi ay 30. Times 2 and times 3 dapat nung pinakamababang number. So letter B, 9, 15, and 30, eliminated. Letter C, 8, 16, 30, eliminated ito. Dapat 8 times 3, 24 dapat ito. So we have letter D, 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 2 is 27. So pwede pa ito. And then letter E, 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. So alin lang dito sa dalawa ang magiging sagot. So gamitin na natin ang condition. There are three numbers whose sum is 54. So alin dito sa dalawa ang sum ay 54. So malinaw, letter D ang magiging sagot since 9 plus 18 plus 27. So that is equal to 9 plus 8 plus 7 is 24. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 2, we have 5. So nasatisfy ang condition, the sum is 54. So therefore, letter D ang tamang sagot. Follow for more.